Propadelerz अनेक इव्हेंट ऑर्गनाइज केल्लो हांवें 60 किलोमीटर सायकलिंग कंप्लीट केलें हे म्हाका मेडल मेळ्ळें.
So hi guys, it's a very good morning and we are with the Propadelerz event here, Vorrad event, and we are with the founder member and the current president also, Dr. Vishwajit Pallasa here, and we will request Vishwajit sir to tell us something about his club and this event also. Sir, hello sir. Hi.
First of all, hi.
Welcome to Anandgan Goa sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Our viewers would like to know more of your club.
Okay. Yeah. It's a pleasure to have you here for this event.
Thank you.
And I wish all of you. Go inside.
Yeah.
So I wish all of you a very good morning and welcome again to this event.
Yeah. Our viewers would like to know that when was this Propadelerz Club started, and this event is the fourth, if I'm not wrong.
Fourth year we are.
Yeah. And when was this club started, and what was the cause for starting this club? Like
yes, I must tell you this. This club was. I mean, we started riding together as a team.
I see.
In way back in 2012. I'm an orthopedic surgeon myself.
I see.
So I was in the active practice, and I had a few friends who used to play badminton with me.
I see.
And you know, we used to play in the indoor stadium at Fathoda.
Yeah.
And every Sunday the indoor stadium used to be closed.
I see.
And we used to say to ourselves, what should we do on a Sunday? Now, from that, the idea came.
I
it was
see.
very funny. And our first ride, incidentally, was from Margao city to Kolva and back.
I see.
And we were worried whether we will be able to reach back to Margao or not.
So much.
Yeah.
My goodness.
It was just the beginning.
Yeah.
So that is how it started.
I see.
And from there we never looked back.
I see.
And subsequently more riders joined in, and in 2014 we registered as a club.
Yeah, officially.
Under the name of Propadelerz Cycling Club.
I see. And at that time, other club, how many were there? Are there any clubs?
In Margao, I had not heard of any cycling clubs as such, but there were a few stray clubs like the Chandur Club, which used to have their own event.
They hold the Medallion race.
Absolutely, yeah. They had their own event, and I think they still hold it regularly.
Oh my God.
I guess that is one of the oldest clubs in
currently they have the 50th
the
race.
state of Goa.
Yeah.
There was a club in Panjim also.
I see.
But I am not aware of any more clubs. Subsequently, of course, there are so many clubs now. Now you take any city, there will be at least 3 or 4 clubs.
So I may say that you are the father of Propadelerz.
In some way you can say.
Back to this
Absolutely. My founder president was Dr. Nitish Kerkar.
I see.
Who is a practitioner in Margao, Arcane area, and he had a dream like me only.
I see.
And that is how we took up the challenge.
So, one more thing, sir. Yeah. So every cycling club is holding a cycling event.
Absolutely.
Why duathlon? Duathlon means what, and why duathlon?
Okay. Whenever we used to cycle in and around Margao city, or further beyond the cities, we used to always meet our runners, running buddies on the way.
I see.
And that is how. And then the Ironman thing was taking shape in Goa.
I see.
And that is how we thought we'll do. It's a good cross training thing.
Yeah.
Cyclists can run or the runners can cycle. So that is how we said we'll hold this. And what Goa is known for, sun, sand, and such beauty like this. That is why we thought we'll have a beach run instead of the normal run and in the city. So that is how we had this beach run concept.
So promotion of Goa as a tourist
absolutely. That was also in mind. This event is a little different. We thought why not do something different. So this is our beach vehicle which has just come.
I see.
This is for the support for the runners. Yeah.
That one is only on the beach.
On the beach itself, yeah.
So everywhere the participants are supported.
And then there is a sumptuous breakfast also at the end of it.
Why
participants as
so
well as
they don't have to go empty stomach.
नहीं ऐसा होता ही नहीं है.
Fully recharge.
होता नहीं पूरा recharge करने का.
Nice thing, sir.
Yeah.
So and Yeah, what happened? No, I just noted that lot of foreigners are wading along the beach side,
Yeah,
and they are interested what is going on.
Yeah.
Many are running here and there. And last year also somebody asked me, what's this event like that?
Okay.
So
Widely publicized.
yeah,
It's widely publicized.
yes.
Yeah.
This is. And we know that you are burdened with more responsibilities,
Yeah.
and we can see on your face you are worried like everything. What
At the end of it, I must say they get a very nicely designed finisher's medal.
I
And they will get a certificate as well.
Yeah.
E-certificate.
The memento, they will cherish it for lifetime.
Cherish
like
it
that.
for lifetime. Yeah.
So thank you very much for sharing
so
your
much.
word with us, sir.
I hope
for
you
our
have
channel.
a nice time. And I hope all my participants enjoy the run and the ride as well. And thank you so much. I want more people to join next year.
Yeah,
And it
sure,
will be
sure.
more than I am thankful to all my entire team.
Sure.
The run team, ride team. For this.
And Anand Goa wishes you all the best for your future events, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Manish. Yeah, thank you.
The Saina is here. Congratulations, Saina. So congratulations. And
Well done, boy.
congratulations on your win. How does it feel to have the
Say something.
beauty to have please settle down, enjoy the breakfast. Yunus, congratulations.
As the tradition goes,
on your big win. Big moment for you to finish.
Propadelerz are known for it, and the organization is par excellence.
I think
I give hats off to all the management of Propadelerz, especially Ajay Jadhav, Dr. Vishwajit, Finton, and all the team of theirs for doing an excellent work all along the way in the cycling route as well as on the running route on the beach. Keep it up, Propadelerz.
Yeah, great.
Well job done.
Thank you. Enjoy. We are very happy. All right. I am so proud of you. For us, I know I did not run, but you cycled for us all and you ran for us all. Hold on. You. Congratulations. Can I have your name, please? Aaron, well done. Go ahead. Your medal awaits you. I shall touch your feet, hug you, and congratulate you for that. The first of many to the finish line. Can I have your name, ma'am? Mohua. Is that, have I said it right? Mohua. Everybody here, can I hear you shout? Give me a commotion for Mohua, please. Especially all of you, thank you so very much. A strong finish, our first lovely lady, xaxtiriders, well done. If you have any aches and pains, if you have the need to someone help you to stretch, if you need to, please do meet the physiotherapists. They're here especially for you. Do get the aid that you need. Enjoy a good plate of food, refresh yourselves, and we'll see you next year for Vorrad 5.0. Guys, this is me. Can I have your name, please?
This is the 4th year and the most successful year for us, and we are going to upgrade ourselves and do better, and we'll have more competitive. Next year maybe we will add swimming to this. So let us see, make it a triathlon event. Okay, thank you.
This ride was quite cool. Okay, I really liked the elevation up to Propadelerz. So I thought of Pesar 50 kind of thing. So it was beautiful. And running on the beach was definitely the on thing. So it's the regular thing what we like to do, and the breeze was quite good. I really enjoyed.
That is Elifa, xaxtirider lady. Did you enjoy this ride, Elifa?
Yes, I really enjoyed this ride. I never thought that I will run 6 kilometers.
Wow, Elifa. I didn't know that.
Yeah, really.
Good morning, I am Brigadier Sani, presently posted here as military station commander. I got an opportunity to participate in this Vorrad 60.6 which included cycling with the climbs and slopes and 6 kilometers of run. That was my first Vorrad, but very happy after completing it, and I hope this tradition continues. We have the Vorrads.
Okay, I really enjoyed the ride. It was really nice. So this was my first duathlon, and the running was a little bit tough, but I really enjoyed.
Any event, cycling or running is always there around. Thank you, sir.
Hi, I'm Lieutenant Commander Abhishek Varshney. So this is the 4th edition of Vorrad, and I have been participating in all the Vorrad. It is an awesome event and I thoroughly enjoyed. And definitely kudos to all the organizers, and happy running, happy cycling.
A 10-year-old rider here. Wow. And she's the proud finisher.
माझे नाव अनिका. प्रो पेडलर्स आनी एक इव्हेंट ऑर्गनाइज केल्लो. हांवें 60 किलोमीटर सायकलिंग कंप्लीट केलें. हे म्हाका मेडल मेळ्ळें.
Go first. Here we have got 2 riders from xaxtiriders group, and those who have done Goa to Karwar and back. And we want to hear their experience on that route.
Goa to Karwar and back was on my bucket list for this season before it gets hot. So before the summer really sets in, I wanted to do this ride. It's a challenging ride. It's a fun ride, and what makes it challenging is not just the Karmal Ghat while going, but when you are coming back, when you are almost reaching towards the end of your reserves. To do Karmal Ghat on the return leg is the challenging part of that ride. And then of course it's the open highways with not much tree cover, so the heat by 10 o'clock really gets it, and so the endurance part and the nutrition and your other things come into play. What made it easier was we were 6 of us who were riding, and we rode in a peloton. So we cut out the headwinds to a certain extent, so that made it easy. So while going and while coming back, all of us cycled in a peloton, and that made the ride a little easier than normal.
So the ride to Karwar was really great fun. A lot of it was in Goa. This is the first time I rode out of Goa. That was fabulous, and there were some really lovely picturesque scenes where you were riding across a bridge and the sea was right next to you, the Aljibag bridge basically. And yeah, there were headwinds, there were crosswinds, but because we were riding together, we didn't really feel it. Karmal Ghat was a big challenge, like Stanley said, but if you ride regularly, you manage to do it without too much trouble. It was a fabulous experience riding from Karwar and back. Wow.
Three cheers to Propadelerz. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.